Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to search for filters on Facebook, step by step. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Now tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your feed to start creating a new post. Step 3. Next, you'll need to upload a photo or video from your gallery. Alternatively, tap the camera icon to capture a new one directly. Step 4. Once you're in camera mode, look for the search icon at the bottom of your screen and tap it. This will open up the filter options. Step 5. Swipe through the available filter options to find the one that fits your post perfectly. Step 6. After selecting and customizing your filter, don't forget to save your post. Choose your audience and then share it on your timeline or as a story. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.